of specially formed, damage-resistant panels are riveted or otherwise attached to a lightweight underlying base called the airframe. The panels and frame together make a very strong, relatively lightweight craft. Many of these parts, especially the outer panels, are made from a carbon fiber reinforced material, though traditional aluminum and aluminum alloys are also used. Vertical frames underpin the cross-sectional tube shape, connected by longerons that stretch from nose to tail. And in between these, a vast network of stringers, intercostals, and subframes. At the nose, the radome shields a weather radar antenna beneath, while allowing specific radio frequencies to pass through for proper functioning. A double-layered bird strike barrier is situated behind that. Floor beams attach to frames and support the floor panels. Higher grade panels are used in high traffic areas and the cockpit or flight deck, with lower grade panels beneath passenger seating areas. Pressure bulkheads are reinforced metal barriers that separate pressurized from non-pressurized areas of the plane. Humans are accustomed to about 14 psi of air pressure. Passenger planes generally fly between 31 and 38,000 feet above sea level, where air pressure is a meager 4 psi or lower. As such, most sections of the airplane are pressurized while in flight. These areas include the flight deck and passenger areas, equipment bays, and cargo compartments. Unpressurized areas are the radome, landing gear bays, the center wing box, and the tail cone. The wings attach near the center of the aircraft. A center wing box ties wing frames together with the fuselage. The keel beam offers additional support. A wing-to-body fairing attaches to the keel beam and a pair of external longerons to enclose and further strengthen this critical wing attach point. Sturdy yet flexible spars stretch from the center wing box to the wing tip, one at the leading edge and one at the trailing edge of the wing. A pylon juts out from the wing frame to support the jet engine. Titanium links extend from the wing to the pylon, and tension bolts mate aluminum and titanium plates for an incredibly strong and flexible connection. Moving to the rear or aft of the plane, we see the vertical and horizontal stabilizers with their additional frame supports, and the tail cone, which houses the auxiliary power unit or APU. Windows. The windshields and side windows are made from 3 layers of chemically strengthened glass, covered with an anti-static coating. Cabin windows maintain the structural integrity of the fuselage with a thick outer pane made from acrylic. There's an additional protective acrylic pane on the passenger side with a hole and an air gap for pressure and temperature equalization. Doors. There are passenger doors front and rear, with corresponding service doors on the starboard side. Cargo access doors are also on the starboard underside. Smaller overwing emergency doors are located just above each wing. Doors must be disarmed before opening so the emergency slide will not deploy. An overpressure light, visible from the inside and outside the door, indicates whether the pressure differential would permit safe opening. A vent panel enables pressure equalization. Turning the